In this video, we're going to talk about Win-Dor's 1550 horizontal and single hung window series. In the product series, we're going to go ahead and highlight the 1550 window. In the bottom left, you'll notice the product family section. In the standard designs, you'll notice your XOs, XOXs, single hungs, and picture windows. The next product family is the offsets and Oriels. If you're going to do the interlock that's offset or is not a 50-50, or in the case of an XOX is not quarter half quarter, you'll need to start with an offset, or in the case of a single hung, you'll need to start with an Oriel. The next 5 product families are the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 light configurations. These configurations highlight the use of the 1550's internal mold bar. As we scan through the different configurations, if you find that there's a configuration that you need that's not in here, please notify us and we'll get one put in for your specific order. Now let's go back and take a look at options. Let's select standard designs in the product family, and let's double click on a 1550 XO. Now let's see what options are available. In finishes, you can select between white, beige, and a painted exterior. On the painted exteriors, once you select painted exteriors, it comes up with the different paint options. You'll notice that the color on the image will change based on the color that you selected. In the case of custom color, you'll notice that no color is displayed on the image. But what you do get is you get an inner color. In this field, type the color that best describes the choice. I'm going to go ahead and select a standard color option. The next option is frame type. We have the option between block frame, 1-inch nail fin, 1 3/8, and retro fin. Next is Sash Locks. You can select between single or double locks. The next field is window screens. The options are required or not required. If you choose not required, the screen will be removed from the order. If you need a screen at a later date, there will be additional charges for that screen. Next, we have the screen mesh. You can choose between standard gray or enhanced view. Next is gas and tube. This is where you can choose between air with a breather tube, and argon. For any job that's over 4,500 feet in elevation, it's important that you select air and tube. The last option is grid type. Grids are selected up by pushing the grid button on the top. There you have an option between none, flat, sculptured, SDL, flat marginal, sculptured marginal, and SDL marginal. When you select a grid type, it'll pull up a standard pattern. Once you've selected a grid type, you go back to options, and you'll notice that there's a few other options pertaining to grids. Not all paint colors have grids to match. When it does, OpenGenella will attempt to put the correct grid color to match the color of the paint. So pay close attention to the grid color and make sure that it's the grid you want that matches the window. In another video, we'll show you how to select grid types, colors, and patterns, and how to build a custom grid pattern and verify grid alignment within the window. We'll also show you how to adjust internal mullions and how to build a custom window. For additional information, please visit us on the web. Thank you for watching.